Number 1. 1989 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,000, powered by a 4.3L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain. It has traveled 102,000 miles and runs on gasoline, offering a balance of durability and everyday usability. The truck features a brown exterior matched with a tan interior, both of which are in notably clean condition, especially the well-kept cabin that reflects careful ownership. Although it carries a salvage title, the vehicle is described as a dependable daily driver with no known mechanical issues. It starts, runs, and drives smoothly, making it suitable for regular use. The air conditioning blows cold, enhancing comfort during drives, particularly in warmer conditions. Overall, this Sierra stands out as a practical and solid classic pickup, combining vintage appeal with consistent performance and a clean interior that adds to its overall value. Number 2. 1991 Ford F250, price $8,500, powered by a 5.0L fuel-injected V8 engine. It has covered 103,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, offering a smooth and reliable driving experience. Finished in a clean gray exterior paired with a matching gray interior, this single cab, short bed, 2WD pickup perfectly embodies the ultimate grandpa spec charm. The truck features a color-matched camper shell, aluminum running boards, and a comfortable cloth bench seat, enhancing both its practicality and vintage appeal. It runs on gasoline and has been maintained in excellent condition, starting, running, and driving flawlessly. Additionally, it comes with a brand new exhaust system complete with catalytic converters, ensuring it remains smog compliant. Overall, this F-150 stands out as a solid, well-kept classic with both character and dependability. Number 3. 1996 GMC Sierra 2500, price $10,000, well-maintained and refreshed pickup that still performs impressively with 320,000 miles. Powered by a 5.7L Vortec engine paired with a 4L80 automatic transmission and 2WD, it runs and drives great with no leaks or issues. The truck features a silver exterior and blue interior, along with a fully updated AC system that works perfectly. It has been carefully gone through, with updates to switches, controls, lights, and handles to ensure everything functions properly. Modern upgrades include an audio system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus dual 10-inch subwoofers under the rear seat. It also comes equipped with a trailer brake and sits on new method wheels wrapped in 285/70/17 Nitto Ridge Grappler tires, making it both practical and stylish. Number 4. 1997 GMC Sierra, price $6,500, featuring a newly installed engine with less than 50,000 miles, paired with a strong and dependable transmission that delivers smooth performance. The truck has been carefully cared for, with over $5,000 in documented receipts that come with a full warranty, offering added confidence to its next owner. It retains its original paint job, giving it an authentic and classic appearance that still shines nicely. In terms of recent updates, the vehicle has been refreshed with a new battery, alternator, fuel pump, and AC compressor, ensuring both reliability and everyday driving comfort. Additionally, a set of fog lights is included with the truck, although they have not yet been installed, providing an easy upgrade option for improved visibility. Number 5. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,950, powered by a reliable 350 engine paired with a 4L60E automatic transmission, showing 148,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with factory-installed GM keyless entry, complete with a key fob, along with a fully functional climate system that provides both strong heating and cold air conditioning. This truck has received several recent updates, including a new AC Delco throttle position sensor and vehicle speed sensor. Additional replacements include a genuine GM door handle, as well as a new tailgate handle and surround. It also sits on new tires and features a 2-inch Beltec drop shackle for an improved stance. The previous owner contributed to its upkeep by installing new AC Delco Plus components, including the distributor cap, rotor, and spark plug wires, ensuring consistent performance and reliability. Number 6. 2001 Ford F250, price $6,188, equipped with a muscular V8 engine. It delivers strong performance and impressive towing capability, making it well suited for both work and everyday driving needs. This particular example has covered approximately 150,000 miles and is paired with an automatic transmission, providing a smooth and reliable driving experience on and off the road. Visually, it features a green exterior complemented by a clean gray interior, offering a classic and functional look. The truck runs on gasoline and maintains the rugged build quality that the Super Duty lineup is known for. It is worth noting that the vehicle carries a salvage title due to a previously hyperextended driver's door. However, despite this history, it remains a solid and capable truck, ready to be put back to work and continue delivering dependable performance. Number 7. 2000 Ford Ranger, price $3,800. It has accumulated approximately 172,000 miles and is powered by a strong 4.0-liter engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The truck features a blue exterior complemented by a clean gray interior, and it runs on gasoline. Equipped with a fully functional 4x4 system, this Ranger is capable of handling a variety of road and weather conditions with confidence. Both the air conditioning and heater are in good working order, ensuring comfort year-round. The vehicle also includes 4 fully operational doors and a convenient third rear window, adding practicality and ventilation options. Additionally, the truck sits on brand new tires all around, improving overall safety, traction, and driving performance. With a clean title and a reputation for reliability, this Ford Ranger XLT presents itself as a practical, versatile, and ready-to-drive pickup that has been kept in good condition despite its mileage. Number 8. 1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,950. This particular example has traveled 161,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a black exterior complemented by a gold interior and it runs on gasoline. Built with capability in mind, this truck comes with a reliable 4WD system, making it suitable for a variety of terrains and weather conditions. The extended cab provides additional interior space, adding comfort and practicality for passengers or storage. Under the hood, it is powered by a robust 5.7L V8 engine, known for its durability and solid performance. The 6.5-foot bed adds to its versatility, making it a practical choice for hauling and everyday utility needs. The interior has been well maintained for its age, showing signs of careful ownership. Notably, the dashboard remains in excellent shape with no cracks, which is often a rare find for vehicles of this era. Number 9. 1988 Chevrolet 3500, price $4,250. It has traveled approximately 100,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission and is powered by a fuel-injected 454 big block Chevy engine paired with a TH400 transmission, running on gasoline. The truck comes in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior. It runs and drives great, with several recent maintenance updates completed. These include new spark plugs and wires, a new distributor along with cap and rotor, and a fully refreshed front braking system consisting of new calipers, pads, rotors, bearings, seals, and rubber lines. The tires remain in excellent condition, adding to its road-ready reliability. Additional features include power door locks for convenience. However, it's worth noting that the front windshield has a crack, and the driver's side window is currently not functioning. Number 10. 1997 Ford F250, price $2,600. This truck has 120,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission, finished in a green exterior that gives it a classic and rugged look. It comes with a clean Texas title under the current owner's name, offering peace of mind for a smooth transfer of ownership. The transmission was rebuilt less than 100 miles ago, making it a strong mechanical highlight and adding to its overall reliability. In addition, the truck has been updated with a brand new fuel pump and fuel injectors, helping ensure proper fuel delivery and improved engine performance. It also sits on a set of new tires, making it ready for the road or daily use. As for its condition, the only known issue is that it needs a brake bleed.